I'm Lance Robinson up here in Saskatchewan.
My name is Emily Robinson.
We are the operators, managers of Safari River Outfitters in Goose Haven. What we like to do is really create an experience that goes over the top, from our food to the detail we put into our bait sites, our blinds, whether it be black bear, deer, or waterfowl. You know, we just try to keep the attention to detail.
We realize that it's not just about the hunt, but it's about the full experience.
In a typical week, we do 3 meals, and there's 8 to 10 hunters and 5 staff, just like cooking for my family at home.
Our guides are phenomenal. We stick to our program, really knowing the species and having guides that are well experienced and know the area.
They follow through with everything. It's great coming up here. The lodge is fantastic. The guides are great. They take time to spend with you. This year's the first time I've ever been bear hunting, and I actually saw a bear for the first time in my life in the wild, and I did shoot that one. It's been a lot of fun coming up. It's the people that make the difference for the hunt up here.
So for the last 4 years, Worldwide Trophy Adventures and Ruff Tuff have been partners. An opportunity presented itself to come up and outfit one of the great gems in Canada. So we're here today outfitting UTVs and vehicles that are used in the outfitting operation.
These guys put their trucks through a lot of punishment, and we thought we could help them save the interiors of their UTVs and trucks as they're hauling hunters around, hauling dead animals, going through whatever the daily routine is here at Safari River.
We've seen them haul bears in them. Their equipment, their bows, their rifles. They're excited to get these on because they really needed new covers on their vehicles. These Ruff Tuff seat covers will give them a whole new look, a whole new sophistication.
We can't always go and have a fancy vehicle every year or every 2 years, so sometimes some of our stuff is a little older, and it's important to keep them in good shape and also give a great presentation to our hunters coming into camp. Having Ruff Tuff here covering our side-by-side seats and covering our trucks, it really just brews new life into our vehicles and gives a top shelf experience and top shelf presentation when hunters get in our vehicles.
We've had a great time here at Safari River. We fished, we went bear spotting, we went out and put some bait out, obviously did our installs, saw some wildlife. It's been a great time here at Safari River. I couldn't ask for a better time. These guys really laid out the red carpet for us and treated us really well. The food was amazing, just had a great time.
It's been an amazing experience for the team to see the country, to see everything that these vehicles go through to protect the investment that they have. There's only one seat cover brand that can stand up to this kind of use and abuse, and that's Ruff Tuff seat covers.